Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Chinyere and I create simple and practical tutorials on Figma and digital design basically. So in my last video, I showed you how to navigate Figma, and today I'm going to show you how to import icons and import icons from the actions bar, and also get you to understand the quickest way to add quality icons and images to your design without leaving Figma. So we'll be using Unsplash and Iconify, two powerful plugins that allow you to import images and icons with just a few clicks. So let's jump right into it. And now the image on your Canva, as you can see on my screen, is what the finished product is going to be like. So I'm going to take you back to where we stopped on the last video. So before we continue, I'd like us to change the icon here, and we're going to say transaction page. Now we go to the action bar. So let us quickly find out the action bar in Figma. So this is where this is at the bottom of your screen. This is the area you can see my cursor, where you would have access to it. So to access it, simply select any frame or empty canvas that and look at the menu. So you see different tools and alignment options. Here I'm gonna go now. So I click on the action bar menu. So step one, I'll click on the action bar, which I have done. Then I'll browse. If you do not have if you do not have Iconify installed on your Figma, you can just type Iconify on the top search menu. But I have it over here, so I'm just gonna click on Iconify now. Just gonna click on Iconify now, and it pops up the icon. So you go to the search icon menu and type on put a name. So let's say we want to get the home menu button. So you come here and click on home, click on the search button, and it gives you various options. I usually tell students to go for the one with single stroke, or because it's good to ensure your work is consistent. So if you want to ensure for consistency, it's either you go for the fill-in icon or the stroke icon. So here I'm going to be using the stroke icon. So I'm going to click on home. So to ensure your work is neatly organized, I usually advocate for um, a frame to be drawn up here, and where you can input your icons as you decide to import them in. So what you do now is you create a frame here, stand at the top of your main icon, and you click on the frame. So we're just going to rename this now. You can rename from here as well. You can just say icons. Great. So you ensure your cursor is highlighted. The new icons frame is highlighted. Then you come to the Iconify menu, click on the necessary icon you want. It's also important for us to import our icons as components. That way, we're able to reuse each component, because we do not know how many times we would love to be using these components, to avoid us coming back here and getting these icons again. So I'm going to import as component. I'm going to see size. I'm importing as 48, and color black. So I'm going to say import as component. So you see it goes over there. Then and I come here and I bring it up to this point. I come here again. What other icon did we see from the main design? I'm going to say offer or copy. So I'm gonna say copy. Yeah, we had an icon like this. So I'm gonna click on it, and I click on the import button, and it comes back there again. I bring it back here. So on importing components, I'm gonna teach you again how to use I'm gonna teach you how to use on importing icons. I'm gonna teach you how to use auto layouts to make your design even more better. So we'll come over here. We're gonna say we want the transfer button. I'm gonna click on it, transfer. Click over here, click over here, and we're gonna pick this. I'm gonna say import as component, and it comes over there again. Yeah, transfer. What other one do we want? So to make this icon even, so we're gonna put the auto layout, and I'll teach you how best to use the auto layout shortly. Yeah, I'm gonna use the auto layout. So you keep putting these icons, and it keeps coming to the highlighted frame. Then to make it orderly, you quickly apply your auto layout. So I'm just gonna do it over here. I'm gonna click on Shift A for auto layout. I'm gonna click on Shift A. I have just added up the auto layout, and it has aligned it evenly. And please note that what auto layout does is it arranges your work and makes it even better. So I'm going to impute one more icon, and you're going to see how it aligns effectively and consistently in the icon frame. So now I'm trying to impute the stock icon. I'm going to click over here and say impute as component. You see, it arranges itself. That's the importance of adding auto layouts to your design. Also, we have imported our icons, so you can also group your icons. You can also group similar icons. You can group your icons by pressing Ctrl G. Here I just use an auto layout because it arranges it seamlessly. Um, So now we have our icons, we can move ahead to design. So with these simple organization tricks, your Figma workspace will stay clean and easy to navigate. Let's not forget this is our icon over here. This is the main working frame that we have. We imported um, this rectangle in the last class. So we're going to be continuing from here in the next class. And so that's it for importing icons. So now you know how to import icons, images using the action bar in Figma. So with the help of Iconify and Splash, we're going to look into on Slash more in the next video, and I hope you click in to find out. So if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, turn on your notification so you don't miss my next Figma tutorial. So let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.